Welcome to this stunning home in Langwarrin, where we've just completed this bespoke high-end kitchen for our clients, a space designed to feel both luxurious and effortless. It's always a pleasure when clients invite us back to film the finished space, and this kitchen truly speaks for itself. This kitchen showcases luxurious 12mm porcelain benchtops and splashbacks, complemented by a statement island bench with plenty of underneath storage and a place a family will enjoy gathering for many years to come. The cabinetry features Polytech 18mm shaker doors in a refined Hampton style, chosen for their exceptional durability, premium finish and timeless appeal. Paired with classic colonial handles and sleek black appliances, the result is an elegant contrast that feels both sophisticated and welcoming. This kitchen isn't just beautiful, it's been designed for everyday living at a luxury standard. This is truly a space designed to inspire the chef in your family, where cooking, entertaining and everyday living come together seamlessly, making every moment in the kitchen both enjoyable and effortless. Rick is showing you here the pull-out drawers, all fitted with Blum soft close hardware, offering silky smooth operation and backed by a lifetime warranty on hinges. An abundance of deep drawers and cabinetry ensure storage has been thoughtfully maximised, keeping the space refined, practical and clutter-free. And this pantry is a true standout, featuring generous shelving, heavy-duty pull-out drawer systems and deep storage capable of holding up to 50 kilos, all finished with soft close functionality for a seamless, quiet experience. The before and afters truly highlight the transformation, taking this space from ordinary to exceptional. Thank you to our wonderful clients for trusting us with their home and allowing us to share this beautiful result. If you're looking for a custom kitchen renovation designed with style, crafted with detail and delivered with intention, contact us at Reno Warriors.